This is Paul Lundgren with the Finer Touch Construction. I'm here at the Balancing Rock project, and we're going to take you around the project and show you some of the key features and cool features that I really like. And stick around till the end, because then you'll find out if this is a panic room or not. Here at the Balancing Rock pool, and it is a continuous knife edge or negative edge, whatever you prefer to call it. It's when the patio looks like it continues out onto a sheet of glass. So you'll have the water line on this knife, and then you've got your patio that goes continuously out. So what we've got here is this channel, which this water on this negative or knife edge go up here and return down into this channel. And these channels are all sloped to the trough, where that will recapture all the water and circulate to keep that flow of water going over to make that look like that sheet of glass going across the negative edge of the whole pool. This over here is what we call the spool. It's so big, it's kind of a pool spa. It's got the same detail as that negative edge, that knife edge continuously all the way around, spilling into the channel, taken to the trough that's on the outside there. And that's your view negative edge over there, where the water will just end, and you'll have your reflection of your view in the pool. On the other side of this is the trough. This is the main catch basin of all the water that's going to be returning into the pool. So we wanted to pick a tile on this face and around the edge for the water line that would mimic the same as the patio. So we're getting all this continuity of the feel and the look. So all you're seeing is this glass sheet of water in the middle of all this nice gray tile. Always stressful to me is like, if this isn't all perfectly level, this doesn't work. So these guys have to be meticulous on how they get this tile in here and how level it is all the way around, because if you got a high spot, it's going to be dry and everything is going to go to that low spot. So this has to be perfect all the way around. So these guys take the time to make sure it's all perfect. They have their transit, and they're checking all these lines every day. All throughout their build, they're checking elevations and levels, making sure this is all same all the way around. A transit is a laser that's set up on a tripod, and then you have a measuring stick with a device that captures that laser, so you can set a point and mark it, and then when you go around, it should be beeping. It beeps. So you hear those annoying beeps on the job site. That's beep 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 beep, and that's how they find those elevations all around. Some will use a water level, which is another type of device that I've done videos on, like a smart level, and that's where they place a unit on the benchmark, and then they go around with a unit that can test all those elevations all around the whole area. So as you can see in the backyard here, we're not on a huge plot of land. We're kind of elevated, so we're kind of confined by all these walls. And what you don't see anymore is all the plumbing that goes into making this pool a reality is all running around through this area. And to get the pool equipment into an area, we created this vault that's underneath the ground here. So all the pipes will come in here and they go through this wall into this vault, which will take you around to see. But that way you're reducing noise levels of your pool equipment, and you're not seeing it anywhere. A lot of these neighborhoods that we're in, the HOAs, they require that things be hidden from line of sight from the street. So you got to hide electrical panels, pool equipment, trash receptacles, that kind of stuff. So the architect here has come up with a way to hide it, reduce noise levels, and take advantage of this backyard that's not huge and it's elevated. So this back staircase is basically for maintenance people to come in and out for the pool. It's not really an entrance, because you'll have, when we get this vegetated, this will be desert with plants. Not really a walkway, it's just to get to the pool equipment and for maintenance people to get in here. So we'll have a keypad on that back gate, so they can punch themselves in to service the pool. But around here, this will have a gate on it. As you can see, they got the posts in right now. And this is our vault. So it's depressed down inside here, so got lots of headroom. We'll have exhaust fans that exhaust this area, because we're gonna have natural gas in here for pool heaters. As you can see, there's plethora of plumbing on the wall. Of course, they all labeled it so they know what's what. We got our panel in here for electricity. We'll have our 2 heaters for the pool and spa over here, and all of our equipment and pumps will run through here. We have a sump pump in here, just in case water, when they do maintenance, changing out filters, or just need to clean things out, this will pump out the excess water. But this is our pool vault. You can see that we were required to put a structural steel beam across here with the corrugated steel flooring. We got dirt on top of that. Again, it's Paul Lundgren with Finer Touch Construction. I appreciate you guys following me around, taking a look at what I've got going on. I hope you stay tuned and subscribe. We'll see you later.